In this video, I'm going to talk about how to add the camera and create the camera movement for your animation. Before you add your camera, you have to think about how long the timeline you want. You can go to time config to change the numbers of frames here. We are doing the high-end TV quality for our project, so frame count 100 means 4 seconds. If you want to create an 8-second animation, you can change the frame count to 200, and then you will see the number of frames in your timeline was been updated. Now I want 100 only, and what I want to do is to go to create camera. There's different kinds of camera. In this video, I want to demonstrate target and free only. And the difference between this camera, I've explained it in our lesson. So I won't explain the parameter and the setting for a cam again. I want to set up a target camera. Let me remove this line first. Select a target, and then I create a camera in our background. And then go to perspective, choose camera 1. This is my cam. You see the cam was placed on the ground, so what I have to do is move it a bit upward, and also the target. Okay, and then I go to spline line to create a curve, which is the path for our camera to move along. And then select your camera's body, go to animation, position controller, path constraint, and click your path, the spline you've just created. And then you can press this play button to preview your animation. Only the elevated viewport will let you see, to let you preview your animation's outcome. If I activate the top view, you see the camera is moving right here. If I activate the camera view, you see this is the final outcome. And then I create one more camera. This time I want to use a 3 cam. I go to that view, just click it, and then I've created a cam. And I create a line to create a walk-through animation, a path that so that my cam will walk from the living room and walk into our bedroom. Move it upward to eye level, and then choose our camera, animation, position controller, path constraint, click the path, and then you will see the cam will move along the path from frame 0 to frame 199, and you can go to motion here, turn on follow, so that your cam will rotate the angle and the perspective. Sometimes if the direction of your cam if it's wrong, you can change the axis to ask your cam to look at different angle, but in this case that's okay, it's correct. And I change the camera view to camera 2 to have a look of this cam. If you want to change the speed of the movement along the path, you can go to your camera, right click, choose curve editor, and right click percentage, assign controller, choose bcm float, so that you can adjust the shape of your curve to change the speed of the movement. In this case is decreasing the speed from fast to slow. Okay, auto zoom, fast to slow, and then I preview again, fast and then slow down. this case, I want a linear speed only, so I change it back to a linear curve. And then while the camera moving in front of the door, I want to ask my door to do an animation with an opening effect. So turn on auto key and rotate your door. Make sure that the pivot point of your door is correct. Move this key to here. After everything, turn off auto key. Play again. Okay, the door will automatically open. After you finish all the setting and animation for your camera, you can go to render setup to set up the necessary setting for REA. REA I want high TV quality. You can choose this option of 1280 if your computer is not fast enough. And then think about how the length of the animation you want to render, which frame you want to render. For example, this camera, I want only the frames after 50 frames, number 50, after frame number 50 to 100. So what I have to do is to input the frame number here. Start from frame 50 and then to frame 99. Okay, so that the computer will have me render from here, start from here, and then end at frame 99. At last, ask the computer to help you to do the autosave. Turn on save file and click files. Normally your computer will automatically locate the output location to your project folder. There's a subfolder called render output. Make sure that you store all the rendering right here, and I'm going to give it a name for my render. CamA. And the file format I want is JPEG. Click save, and you will see the name was appear right here. Finally, go to Art Renderer to set up the quality you want. If you do not have enough time to do better quality, you can turn on this option to give a time limit to your computer. If I give 1 minute, that means whatever the final result of your render is, after 1 minute, the computer will stop the render and start the next frame. Maybe I choose medium and I start the render. Okay, in this window, the computer shows us the current frame which the computer is rendering. Okay, this is the first frame of the render, and the frame number, the frame count is 50. Sometimes it will show us the estimate time for us, but now it shows us only some question marks. Okay, and then the last frame is the time spent for render is 1 minute, and now the computer is doing the frame 51, which is the second frame of our rendering, and time remaining is 54 seconds. For my computer, to render this 50 frames, I need to spend 54 seconds, which is 1 minute for each frame. I believe that the quality is below medium. Okay, but that's okay, just wait. After you finish all the render, all the image will be stored in your render output folder with ascending order numbers. The number of your file will be in ascending order. The first one is frame number 50, and then the second one is frame number 51. After you finish all the render, this is some previous render I've done, you will have a set of photo sequence so that you can put all these pictures into Premiere to ask Premiere to help you render the correct format, correct video format, and then so that you will have the video file to submit as your assignment.